Hello everybody, welcome back. All right, let's continue. Akram, hey there. Oh, I must turn on the lights, it's a little bit dark here. It's cloudy out there, super dark. I need to have some extra lights here. All right, there's no official stock exchange open, right? So I guess we're just gonna see if there's some volume popping in or not. We have the new week opening gap, so that's what I'm gonna go with or go for if I have a nice displacement. Obviously, I'm just gonna wait for a little bit here. Yeah, something like this. For some sort of a displacement to happen. Good afternoon, Red. Oh, let me turn on the lights here. It's a little bit dark. Just a second. All right. Oh, it's too much. All right. Should be better. All right. So, we should be seeing some more sell side pressure. At least that's what I think. I'd like to see prices go lower a little bit. Trader Monk, hello, welcome. It was a like Farhad. Hey, good luck, good luck. So I don't expect anything special at 9:30. Maybe a little bit of some extra volume kicking in, but other than that, really nothing. So I'm just gonna play it safe, and I might only going to trade on evaluation accounts. We'll see. Let me check. What do we have here? Yeah, most likely evaluation accounts. And yeah, we still have some time until the open. Okay. Okay, let me just find this. Markets are about to open. All right. 5 seconds. Actually, no open. So, no open. But let's just assume that some extra volume could kick in. Look at that. Full up. Fill up the gap. Oh, yeah. That's what actually I'm hoping too. That it will go down there. Obviously, if it's not doing it, then all bets are off, actually. But I really hope it will go. Actually, it should go down a little bit. Asia low is at 58, so I assume that we can still take the Asia lows down at 58. So I'm looking forward to that. A bit of a reprice right here. Nothing special so far. Okay. Interesting how this 5-minute CB has reacted previously to price. I'm also checking if... Oh, there is nothing else. If there is anything. All right, so far nothing. I have a sell position at 288, full port. Not this, this. Oh, you guys don't see it, yeah, because it's on. Oh, I have to find it. There you go. So this is a full port position. There you go. I just passed an evaluation account. Yeah, nice. So Asia low. Was it taken? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it was taken or not. Maybe not. Anyway. Yeah, the Asia low has not been technically taken. Go pumping. Hey Baron, we're gonna do giveaways, but maybe not today, Baron. Most likely tomorrow or Wednesday. But as I promised, there's gonna be a giveaway this week. So we had a giveaway this morning, but not from me. From Tamash here. A+ Trader. Good morning. So yeah. I have a feeling that this price action can still, you know, go down. All right, entered another short on a different account. Full porting this one too. Going for Asia low. Full port. Hey, Mad Mac Futures, what's happening? It didn't take the Asia low yet. That's why I'm looking for this one to take it out. Seven minis. 7 mini. So let's see if it wants to take Asia low again or not. I'd like to see it being taken, but it's a tricky one. Uh-oh. Seems like it's turning around. I don't like it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It might gonna take me out, you know, because it's a trailing account, so my stop loss is somewhere just a few points up. I'm full porting ProfiTrade accounts currently. What? Oh no, I lost connection. Oh yeah, it's reconnecting. All right. Doesn't matter. All right, reconnecting. All right. We're back. So it's ProfiTrade. But I have a few Bulenox accounts too. But I did not have the time to set it up for full porting. But I have like 4 or 5 evals from Bulenox too. I bought a few one from ProfiTrade over the weekend. I think I bought 3 or 4. I don't know. I'm really hoping that the Asia low will be swept. If not, then obviously waiting for the next opportunity. If I take Asia, I'm gonna lock for a buy. Let's go. I bought an Anulo new accounts on Friday. From direct funded account. From which prop firm? ProfiTrade. I mean, I think you have the activation email because when you buy an account, Bulenox. Oh, I think we passed this. All right, this one passed too. 2 for 2. 2 accounts. Let's go. The other account already has been taken out from the list because it has been ready. It's ready for activation. So Bulenox takes about 2 business days to have the activation for you, and unfortunately today is a holiday. So I'm not sure if Bulenox is going to activate it today because they do it manually. But you know, there's a minimum trading days, obviously. All right, we have a 75% discount on Bulenox, but I think they oh, look at that. We're going down to new week opening gap. New week opening gap. William, hey there. Did you know that if you don't trade Bulenox Master Account 5 days, they will close even if you are in profit? Yes, I know. Yes, William, I know. It's in the Master Account agreement. I knew that, yes. Yes. I knew that. I knew that since the beginning because when I received the Master Account agreement, I was reading it, you know, all over. Up and down, down and up. And unfortunately, yes, you have to push the button every week. Yes, 1 day pass. I already have the activations for it on my dashboard. If I go to my dashboard, it's already ready for activation. Yeah. Yeah, 2 accounts passed. I have 2 more evaluations, but 2 passed already. I have still 2 extra more. I'm actually looking to go long. But I don't think I want to go long until or who knows, you know. I entered the long position. Maybe I shouldn't have. But this account, I mean, I already have 2 pass, so I'm okay with this. I was just looking for a possible retest to the 930 area up there. If it goes up, most likely it's not gonna go up. So it seems like I'm gonna blow this account. All right, here it is. Yeah, it's gonna get blown. I just like this bullish candle formation to squeeze everybody who's selling up there, and that was it. Eval need minimum need 5 minimum days of trade. Well, you have to push the button once every 5 trading days. That's it. So basically every week, but gotta watch out. So don't wait like you press the button on Monday and you press the button on next Friday. So obviously keep in mind, I have a reminder on my computer to trade every account on on time. So just, you know, make sure to push the button once every Friday. That's the minimum requirement. But the same goes for MyFundedFutures too. So they need you to stay active, basically, on the account. That's it. I mean, the evil of Bulenox needs... Yeah, that's the evaluation. The evaluation needs 5 days. Minimum. So you can pass... Oh, we just blow this account. We left with one more. So you can pass in 1 day. I think I'm going to short this. All right, I started to short. All right, started to short another evaluation account. This one, full port 10 mini. Let's see if it wants to close the gap or what. This I did pass eval in 1 day, and oh, did we pass? I think we passed another one. Yeah, we passed it. We passed another account. So 3 more funded accounts. Yeah, with ProfiTrade. All right, nice. Yeah, flip 4 days exactly. Sorry, I wasn't checking on the bit. So yes, and after you go to the master account, yeah, you have to wait. Well, sometimes they activate it in 1 day. You know, last time I passed an account in the London session and I got the credentials in the New York session, but it's in their website that the activation can take up to 2 business days. So, and there was an occasion where I was waiting for 3 days for my account to be activated. With the, you know, it is what it is. What can you do, right? I mean, I wish there would be a better or faster way to activate, right? Anyway, yeah, what a dump. 3 more funded accounts. Yeah, I got 3 more fundeds. Actually, they are ready for activation. Here you go. 3 more funded accounts. Right here. You guys don't see, but all the 3 are ready. 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Ready to activate. But yeah, nice little dump here. Talk about business bank holidays, right? I feel this way keep Bulenox way long to die because they make long for the traders. So this model keep them more long in life. Well, depends on where you look at it, but yeah, I mean, obviously the whole structure is changing with every prop firm. So I think the answer what you're saying would be more, you know, more likely with the rule for Bulenox that they don't let traders to withdraw below 3. So you have to reach $3,600 to withdraw your first profit. With that amount of profit, Bulenox is in between one of the highest profit criteria prop firms. So they are one of the maybe they are the ones who require you the most to trade. So you have to reach, there's no other way around it. You have to reach $3,600 in profit on your master account or funded account before you can even request a payout. Now other prop firms let you to request much sooner. Thank you, Akram. Yeah, this keeps them in the market, yeah. Yeah. Exactly. 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 Okay, so the new week opening gap has been traded through. And so what can we say? Mm-mm. I don't know what to do from here. But anyway, it's all right. What a dump. Should have full ported some more accounts. But it is what it is. Bolted the cells also. He sent. Oh, he took it. Nice. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Very good. Congratulations, Paul. Yeah, beautiful. I see that. Nice. I don't know where this one will go. Obviously, we can go to Friday low, which I consider the previous day low. So 121 could be a sell-off. As long as ES is staying above 6K, I would consider all this just a swipe, liquidity sweep. So, yeah, new week opening gap. We have that. So, what prop you are trade them? With evaluations, currently I'm trading with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures, but much slower than I did this one because those accounts are a little bit, I mean, expensive. Not expensive that much, but you know that cost more. So I did not want to do all this YOLOing or full porting. I only do full port with these cheap accounts, but I'm currently trading evaluation with MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, and Elite Trader Funding too. But I'm a little bit behind there. But yeah, with funded accounts, I have funded with Apex, MyFundedFutures, Bulenox, ProfiTrade, you know. Yeah, 121 could be a possible target. And one more thing, the 1 hour chart, look at this. Look at the bodies of these candles at 162. Just look at the bodies. So much in line there. Now that indicates something. That indicates to me that price loves to, you know, revisit these areas and look around like what's going on here. Right? So I wouldn't be surprised for a continuation. Look at that. So down to the 60s, I guess. Maybe. Not sure. Not sure. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm just gonna wait. Just a little bit to see what is gonna happen after this. I feel like we're going down to the 60s. I mean below the 60. Yeah. I would say we have a sell side at 61-ish area. Yeah. I think that's where it might want to go. Look at that. Look at that. I might full port an account here. I don't know. We'll see. I need to see some sort of a reaction first. That is it gonna dive to those areas or not? Currently, I don't think it really does. Or it really want to. Anyway, have to be careful with the shorts in this area. Whatever happens, you know. And I'm looking at the 5-minute. What if we're just gonna have a retracement up there? Okay, I need to I'm gonna delete some lines here because too many lines are here. I'm not jumping into a sell, but I believe that the 161 is the next level. All right. 157 maybe, yeah. Somehow I just feel like that the drop is not over yet. What's the time now? Yeah, we have, the time is 9:56. I feel like, you know, this one can still go, but clearly there was no sign of any retracement, and I'd like to see that first. I like to see a clear sign of retracement. If it's not gonna do that, it's fine too. I'm perfectly okay with it. But I really wanted to see something like that. You know, if I go down to the 1 minute, if I would enter here to a short, you know, it would immediately just go back up and then maybe go down. So I'm not gonna do that. Usually that's the case when I enter Murphy's Law, and when if I don't enter, it goes down. So I'm not gonna enter. I'm staying flat, and look at that. It's just gonna go down. Should have entered, right? But yeah, not my level currently. I'm not gonna chase it. Almost went down there. But it should be going through. All right, it's still waiting, still waiting. Sent you Venom account. Nice. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful. Very, very, very nice. That's how you do it. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Nice profits there. More than 4K. That's how you do it. Consistency, I guess you still have to work on the consistency, but it's awesome. Vivian, hey there. Welcome. I have to get some more lights here. He went 15 minutes. All right. Yeah, weekend was good. He entered 15 minutes. Nice. The weekend was great. Vivian, I hope you get a great weekend too. Man, now it's too much. I have to turn down a little bit. The problem is that the switch is too far from my desk, so I have to lean towards it. What a sell-off, by the way. It was a huge sell-off. I mean, you know, despite the fact that this is a bank holiday. Or accounting with the fact. I still feel like it's not over. Next up is 121. Maybe down 130. Yeah, I feel like this is not done yet. It can still go lower, all the way to 121. But I don't know if I want to chase this. You know, on the 5-minute, we did not have any sort of retracement. So even if I would like to go and continue to short this, it's tempting to jump in, but I'm gonna wait at these levels down here. It's just not something I'd like to do, even though it's really tempting to go short. Yeah, maybe 121. I mean, obviously it can just boom go, but it can also watch this level, the 218-ish. It can also slowly grind back. I have no position. The only thing I did in this session is full ported some evals. And it can also go back, you know, take this liquidity and then go down. So I'm just saying that anything can happen, right? But now it seems like it just wants to cut through 121. Really? Oh yeah, look at that. Whew. Jeez. It's on steroids for sure. Yeah, it's just gonna keep going up. Anyway, I just don't have an entry. As much as I would like to have one. Yeah, usually. Yeah, Big G. I don't have an entry because there's no fair value gaps, no retracement, nothing. Although I still believe that the drawn liquidity is 121. I strongly believe that. But I need a structure, you know, I need a fair value gap. I need price. After a drop like this, I need price to go back up on the 5-minute and you know, take some liquidity and then maybe go down again. So, you know, as I used to say, it's too low to short and it's too low to long. So it's no man's land for me. Venom, hey, congratulations on your trade there. Nice job. 15 minis, you have the balls. Oh yeah, Cobb. 143R, let's go, man. Let's go. So you look for retracement and sweep. Yeah, something like that. I'm looking for some level of liquidity to be taken. And then, you know, go. Can you show the trade? Which trade? The trade I took earlier. I just entered as I saw it dropping, you know. David, hey there. Good luck to you as well. I just entered a short. That, you know, the previous trades that I took, those were not actually based on specific entry. I was just watching the drawn liquidity level, which was the new week opening gap, and that's why I started to go short. It has nothing else to do for it. But currently on this one, so look at this huge drop on the 5-minute. Look at how many bearish candles formed here. So if I put a fib tool here on the 5-minute, mid-level would be somewhere around 26 to 26. And, you know, if I would look at it on the 15 minute, it would be even higher in 231. So 226, 231-ish area. That's where I would be looking for price to go back to. So you see, I mean, it can also go down, but if I would then enter the short here, I would be in 20 points drawdown immediately. I just can't. But as I said, I'm looking for a reversal. Just for sweep, you know. Just for liquidity sweep. Yeah. Yeah, I understand, Venom. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not in a trade, by the way. I'm flat. I have nothing. I might even take a long position. Not even sure about that. But maybe I'll take a long position. Who knows? I've put in a buy limit. Just in this small fair value gap. I don't think it's gonna... It's not... It now just wants to go higher, but there's a small gap there. I have put a buy limit there. But doesn't seem like that. 17. It feels like it wants. I mean, you know, it might want to 17. Who knows? Let me just put a fib tool here too. Yeah. It's going. All right, deleting my limit order. Target would be up there at somewhere at the 17 to yeah, 217. If it goes. But we have to wait for some profit taking. If it goes there at all. That's a fair value gap on the 5 and on the 15 minute. Not sure if it wants to go for it, but we'll see, obviously. All right, a bearish turn here. It might gonna continue lower. Feels like it just might. Who knows? If it gets through this gap without any reaction, then it can still go to 121. If not, then it should be repricing all the way up to 216. So we'll see, I guess. All right, it might just gonna go higher. Who knows? You know, back to 217 could be a possible target if it's not going to continue to sell off. It didn't go down for that small gap down there. Depends on where the drawn liquidity is. We still have time from the silver bullet hour. I don't know. I don't know. It's a little bit tricky. It now feels like it might want to go up, but I'm not sure. No, not yet. Let's look at the 15-minute. Let me get this out of the way. Actually, I'd like to see this continue lower. It all depends if it wants to sweep more liquidity from the 216. Yeah, maybe. For now, I have no idea. I'm watching the 156 level if it wants to trade through that area. It still didn't go into that small 1 minute fair value gap down there. Maybe it will. Let's keep on waiting. Nothing so far. Price action has officially stopped here. Just gonna wait. Oh man. No, not yet. No information yet. Bray, nothing yet. But I will let you guys know as soon as I have something. Go lower. Yeah. ES working to new week opening gap. Well, if ES is working to go down there, it might gonna bring NQ down a little bit more, but you know, right now it's pretty much turned off. Let me check NQ just for a second. I'm sorry, ES for a second. Yeah, it's. I'm gonna put an alert to the new week opening gap level. Sir Berenson, hey there. Hey, no problem. I'm glad you're here. That's all that matters. You're here. That's it. Let's go. Finally, expatriate in Australia. What does that exactly mean? I'm sorry. All right. Anyway, waiting here, seeing. I'm also looking ES closely. ES didn't go for it yet. Still just waiting. Oh, I have to manage the copy trader here. I don't want to push any button if I do something wrong and be copy traded. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's correct. Okay. All right. Watching the ES. Not too much is happening for now. Oh, wow. Is ES going down? Seems like. All right, let me check the... for example, let me check the lower levels here on the gap. It poked into the gap just a little bit. I'm gonna put another alert. Not too far. NQ is still in this range. Almost like a bullish flag, but not really. Dun, 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 dun. I feel like now it wants to maybe go back up there. Not really sure. You know, maybe if ES would like to continue lower, it could. But it's not moving. You know, then it should go back to all the way down to 21. Ding, 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 ding. I wonder if this one wants to take liquidity at 200 and what was that level? 217 up there. I'm not sure. If I would have to guess, I mean, I'm looking at the level, it's 18.75 on the 5-minute, and the high 18.25 and 75. So it should go to 18, I guess, to take liquidity there. Tried to full port the Bulenox account, but it's not working out right now. I'm not sure. Not sure if it wants to take that. It has to push it way above 18, and it's just teasing right now at this level. Should be poking into the 18 or 20-ish area for liquidity, but it's not doing it. Oh, it did that. It did that. Let me check. It did. All right. So ES didn't really go down to reprice that gap, but anything can happen, you know. Now we actually swept some liquidity, so if it starts to go lower, we might have a chance. You took the long and you're out. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, now I'm still waiting for some kind of a short position here, but I just want to wait for a proper reversal. The 5-minute is still going up back to the new week opening gap. We're down 700 during Asia. Recovered 300. Let's go. That's good. Yeah, today is a good day. Absolutely. I mean, that's what I've been saying. Like, despite that it's a bank holiday, we see sometimes better price action than regular trading days. So, anyway. I wonder if this one wants to go higher or not. The 930-ish area is still here, up there. I can imagine this one making a recovery way more higher, you know? Why not? I have a feeling that it just wants to go. The way that this price delivery goes, I feel like that you know, the draw on liquidity could be up there at the 50s, you know. So I'm just curious if it really wants to go up there. Or we might see a start of a sell-off real soon, you know. Let's go. Up 8. Congratulations. Hey, Alex. Everything's good? Trying to figure out a proper entry. I was scared to enter here for long. I feel like I should have. Maybe it's going to go up to the 250s, so I missed the move. And I just don't know what to do with this right now. So, just going to wait a little bit and see what's going to happen. So watching this. Whoa, what a drop. Immediate. Sharp drop there. Okay. That's cool. Repricing a 5-minute gap now. Or could be the continuation of the sell-off from earlier. Who knows? You know. Gotta stay sharp here. Yeah, I feel like this one needed a drop. So let's see what it does. Is this going to continue? Let me check on ES again. Yeah, ES going down also. Just a little bit. Maybe it wants to go for the closing of the gap. You don't know that. If it does, then this one might want to go to drop lower. I don't know. Yeah, I was watching it too, that if it wants to go higher, but it's a little bit tricky, I guess. I'm watching ES too, just to see if ES really wants to continue down, or I don't know. Obviously, the gap is still there. Oh man, I don't know what to do with this. It's just not going. Not yet. It's a very, very tricky area. I was hoping that if ES starts to go down, then this one will go too. But now I feel like this one just maybe, I mean, I don't know, wants to do some nasty trick here. I don't know anymore. Hey, Vishnav, what's up? No, nothing for Top Step. No, I'm not affiliated with them anymore. And they don't really have a promo. The only promo they have is if someone is a brand new customer, then you get a 20% discount from your first purchase. That's the only that they do. Sometimes they hand out some free reset codes on Top Step TV, but most likely that's it. Look at that. Doesn't seem like that it wants to go down. Watching ES2. Yeah, ES is tricky. Might want to go back to 44. So we had a fair value gap here that pushed price higher. So I missed that trade. Now currently, I feel like it still wants to gravitate into the new week opening gap because ES doesn't really want to go down. And so this is a tough situation, a tough spot here. In ProfiTrade, do I need to make 182 for 4 days? Not consecutively, but there's 7 minimum trading days. So basically that's it. A plus trader, what's up? Yeah, so that's all. Like 7 minimum trading days. Gotta make sure that you know. Just gotta make sure that 50% of those days are above 182. Sorry, I was just watching the chart. So that's all you have to be aware of. Oh, Elite Trader Founding has a 90%. All right, I have so many emails. I haven't checked it out this morning. Nice. Let's go. Oh man, I missed the move. I don't know what to do with this. All right. All right. No profit. I mean, no profits and no proper entry here. Not sure if this one still want to go higher or just gonna hover around here. I'm gonna check what ES is doing. ES is up there still. Just purchase Tradeify. Let's go. How would you manage that account? Well, you know, you just have to go base hits. I think 20% consistency. I don't even know by memory, but you know, just go for base hits. You don't have to go for home runs like big risk to reward. But if you aim for, you know, maybe 1 to 2 risk to reward, small positions, you know, $100 per trade, maybe 200 at maximum. Go with micros, definitely. So go with micros on Tradeify. Definitely go with that. That's the way to do it. At least that's how I would do it. All right. So just base hits, trade micros, and it will be good. Well, actually, yeah. Well, the 700, I mean 7,500 drawdown. Yeah, so that gives you a bigger room to trade, obviously. So it depends on your risk tolerance too. How much can you take? You know, mentally, how much can you go with? It's obviously up to you of how much you can manage. Lost 25k payout. Oh, that sucks, man. Was that with the fast track trading or what happened? Man, I'm sorry to hear that. Anyway, that's bad. That's obviously bad. So what does this one want to do right now? I'm watching ES still closely. Does ES wants to go lower? And does NQ want to follow? Or what? You know. What's the deal here? I can't make up this price action of what it wants to do. Ugh, it's painful. Painful. Anyway. Man. Please, price, make up your mind. The 5-minute looks also terrible. Like nothing is happening on the 5-minute. $470 away from passing 25k. Let's go, man. Congratulations, Jeff. That's awesome. That is awesome. Guys, I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna call it here. I don't feel so well anyways. So I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. I'm sorry if this session was uneventful and it was boring, but I just can't. I can't watch this price action. So let's go, Jeff. 3 positive days, no red. That's how you do it. All right. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow, London session. Hopefully, I mean, we'll get some good moves. Thanks again, and see you tomorrow. If you would like to support the channel, please use my links and codes. Bulenox currently at 75%, but Take Profit Trader has no activation fee. Apex Trader still 80% off, 1-day pass. ProfiTrade also 1-day pass. And obviously, MyFundedFutures has the instant funded account. So thank you so much, and see you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers.